The Verizon router globe is blinking white due to a few possible reasons. Firstly, it could be caused by twisted or damaged cables. To address this issue, the router should be switched off and unplugged. Then the connectors should be checked for signs of damage. If the cables are damaged, replacing them may be necessary. Additionally, checking if the cables are twisted and entangling them if necessary can also help. Ensuring the wires are securely in place is also crucial, as loose wires can cause problems. Another possible reason for the blinking light is a temporary glitch with the device. This can often be resolved by powering down the router, detaching the cable, and disconnecting it from its power source for 5 to 10 minutes. After this time, the cables can be reattached. The router can be reconnected to its power outlet and turned back on to see if the LED light becomes solid white. Lastly, network issues could also be the cause of the blinking light. To resolve this, the reset button, located at the rear of the unit, should be pressed for roughly 10 to 15 seconds. This will cause the router to reboot, and in a few minutes, the network connection should be restored.